Hello, this is Ryan Fritz with Science of Cardio. We're talking about cardio coaching and the self-guided workouts. The goal of the self-guided workouts in the cardio coaching program is to show you or introduce the types of workouts that you should be doing. So there are 8 basic workouts. Each of them are designed with different emphasis or goals. There is a recovery program, which is a light or low intensity, easy recovery workout. There is a steady state workout, which is the typical conditioning or cardio exercise that we think of. There is a interval, or also known as a fartlek workout, that does intervals where you go fast, slow, or you're doing something like a sprint or a walk, going back and forth. A pyramid workout gets harder and then tapers off and repeats. So it gets more intense to a peak and then less intense to a recovery. There is a ladder workout, which progressively gets harder, and then you do sets of those. There is a taper workout, which is the opposite. You start out hard and get easier. Try to hold or maintain that intensity. There is a race pace workout, which is hard and all out for the duration or time of your event. And then there is a random workout, which jumps through all of the previous discussed.